Retirement planning is a long-term financial commitment that requires deliberate decisions along the way. What do you think? A 401k is a fantastic instrument that many people fail to utilize. Whether you're just starting out in your career or have been in the industry for a while, understanding how 401ks work and how you can use one to grow wealth is vital if your employer offers it. In this beginner's guide, we'll cover 401ks, what they are, how they work, and why they're so important. There are some startling insights on why employers enjoy providing them that you won't want to miss. Let's delve into the specifics of the 401k and how it has helped several people become millionaires simply by working their 9-to-5 jobs. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. What exactly is a 401k? A 401k is a retirement savings plan named after a provision of the United States Internal Revenue Code. Employers provide 401ks to their employees as a financial incentive for long-term planning. They gained popularity several decades ago as firms moved away from traditional employer-sponsored pension plans. Employees can contribute a percentage of their pre-tax salary to a retirement plan through a 401k. Depending on the alternatives provided by the employer, these contributions are subsequently placed in a variety of investments such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or other investment vehicles. What is the purpose of a 401k? Understanding how a 401k works is critical to realizing its full potential. The opportunity for employees to contribute a percentage of their pay to the plan is one aspect of a 401k. These contributions are frequently collected automatically from each paycheck, making it a simple and regular way to save for retirement without having to deal with an outside account. This makes it simple for employees to invest for retirement on a continuous basis, which is essential for long-term investing success. Importantly, these contributions are made prior to the application of income taxes, lowering your taxable income and resulting in an instant tax gain. The possibility of employer matching contributions is a big draw of 401k programs. Many firms will match a percentage of their employees' contributions, thus giving them free money for retirement. Employer matching details differ, but it's a valuable benefit that should be taken advantage of if provided. Typically, an employer will contribute 50 cents for every dollar contributed by an employee, up to 6% of their salary. For someone earning $60,000 per year, this implies their company will contribute up to $1,800 each year. Contributions to a 401k plan are not only tax-deductible, but the investment gains grow tax-deferred. This implies you don't have to pay taxes on your contributions or their earnings until you start withdrawing them after retirement. This tax deferral can lead to significant gain over time as your investments multiply without being hampered by annual tax bills. Your retirement savings will grow tax-free until retirement, at which point the money will be taxed at ordinary income tax rates, which are typically lower for seniors. A 401k plan provides you with a range of investment possibilities to pick from, normally vetted by your company. These options differ in terms of risk and return potential, allowing you to adjust your investment plan to your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Some employer contributions may be subject to a vesting schedule, which governs when you will have complete ownership of these funds. Vesting in a 401k is simply a timetable that decides when you become the sole owner of your employer's contributions to your retirement account. While your contributions are always 100% vested, meaning you fully own them, employer matching contributions may have a vesting period. This plan varies each company, but it often entails a steady rise in ownership rights over a period of years. For example, if your employer has a 4-year vesting plan, you may become 25% vested after the first year, 50% vested after the second year, and so on until you reach 100% vested after the stated length. If you quit your position before you are fully vested, you may lose some or all of the employer's contributed funds that you have invested in. Nonetheless, vesting fosters long-term employee retention by rewarding loyalty. What is the significance of a 401k? Understanding the value of a 401k plan is critical to your financial future. A 401k is an organized way to creating wealth over your working years by contributing consistently and, if feasible, maximizing employer matching. By taking advantage of these chances, you can amass a sizable retirement nest fund. 401ks are a fantastic benefit because many employees would not invest for retirement if they did not have them. The tax advantages of 401k contributions minimize your current tax bill while allowing your investments to grow. It's like having the government as an investor, making your money work harder for you. Those who anticipate being in a lower income tax rate in retirement will gain the most from these tax breaks. Employer matching contributions in your 401 plan are more than simply a perk. They're a vital form of remuneration in addition to your regular income. Considering a bonus from your workplace intended particularly for your future retirement requirements. It's essentially free money from your workplace to help you build a larger nest egg for your golden years. Failure to take advantage of this benefit is equivalent to declining a raise that has been offered to you. It's like your boss saying, "Hey, we appreciate your hard work, and we want to reward you by helping you save for retirement." A well-funded 401k account can assist you in maintaining your preferred lifestyle in retirement, lowering the danger of financial difficulty. Careful planning, disciplined contributions, and wise investment selections can all help you have a more comfortable retirement. 401k accounts are portable, which means you can transfer them if you move jobs. This feature ensures that your retirement savings remain with you, providing you control over your assets and the ability to react to professional changes. Even if some vesting occurs, you won't lose the majority of your retirement savings if you decide to leave the company. Employers provide 401k programs for a variety of purposes other than to assist employees. Tax breaks are one factor, but it's not only about luring new talent. It's also about retaining the skilled workers they already have. The vesting period encourages employees to stay in order to fully utilize their matching contributions. While tax advantages are compelling reasons for a business to provide a 401 plan, these plans also assist organizations retain top workers and create a devoted, experienced staff. A 401k is a powerful instrument for saving for retirement that comes with appealing benefits such as tax breaks, matching contributions from your company, and the ability to choose how you invest your money to some extent. If you're just getting started with your 401k, learning the fundamentals is the first step toward being well prepared for the future. Start early, contribute consistently, and make good investment decisions. That's your ticket to a comfortable retirement. Remember, a 401k isn't just any old account. It's the foundation of your financial stability in your golden years. So take advantage of it, look after it, and watch it grow tremendously year after year. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?